The Qlife Electric Bike for adults stands out as an impressive choice for those seeking a versatile, high-performance e-bike. With a robust 1200W motor capable of reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, this bike is designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Upon unpacking the Qlife e-bike, the first thing that strikes you is its sturdy construction. The frame feels durable yet surprisingly lightweight, making it accessible for riders of various skill levels. The aesthetic appeal cannot be overlooked either. The sleek design, coupled with a matte finish, gives the bike a modern and stylish look that's bound to turn heads. One of the standout features of the Qlife Electric Bike is its impressive motor. The 1200W peak power allows for quick acceleration, making it easy to navigate through busy streets or steep terrain. Whether you're racing to work or exploring mountain trails, the bike delivers a powerful performance. Moreover, the throttle response is smooth and intuitive, allowing for effortless control over your speed. Riders will appreciate the ability to swiftly switch between pedal assist and full throttle modes, enhancing the riding experience according to individual preferences. Battery life is another critical consideration for any e-bike, and the Qlife does not disappoint. Equipped with a 48V15A lithium-ion battery, it offers a range of 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode of use and terrain. This impressive range makes the Qlife a reliable option for daily commuting, as well as weekend excursions. The battery is conveniently removable, enabling users to charge it indoors without needing to bring the entire bike inside. Recharging takes approximately 4 to 6 hours, which is quite reasonable given the range it provides. In terms of handling, the bike features a front suspension fork that significantly enhances ride comfort. Whether you're traversing potholes in the city or the rugged trails, the suspension absorbs shocks effectively, allowing for a smoother ride. The 26-inch wheels and wide tires contribute to the overall stability and grip, making it easier to maneuver through various environments. The bike's weight distribution feels balanced, instilling confidence in both novice and experienced riders when navigating tricky terrains. Another feature worth highlighting is the bike's braking system. The Qlife Electric Bike comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring reliable stopping power in diverse weather conditions. The braking mechanism feels responsive, allowing for quick halts when necessary, a vital aspect for commuter safety. When it comes to comfort, the Qlife prioritizes the rider's experience. The adjustable seat is well cushioned, providing sufficient support for long rides without causing discomfort. Additionally, the handlebar height can be adjusted, allowing for an optimal riding posture that suits various body types. It's this attention to ergonomic design that sets the Qlife apart in the crowded e-bike market. For riders who enjoy tech features, the Qlife Electric Bike includes an LCD display that shows essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and pedal assist mode. This information is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, making it practical while riding. Additionally, the bike is equipped with front and rear LED lights, enhancing visibility and safety during dusk or nighttime rides. One area to consider is the assembly process. Though the bike comes mostly pre-assembled, some users might find putting together the final components a bit challenging. However, Qlife provides comprehensive instructions, and with a bit of patience, most users should be able to complete the assembly without professional assistance. Price-wise, the Qlife Electric Bike offers commendable value for its features and performance. Compared to other e-bikes in the same category, it strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it a viable option for budget-conscious buyers looking for a quality electric bike. In conclusion, the Qlife Electric Bike for adults delivers on multiple fronts: power, comfort, and versatility. With a peak motor power of 1200W, impressive battery life, and thoughtful ergonomic features, it caters to a wide range of riders. Whether commuting through city streets or